are now listening to Spirit Fed Entrepreneur, growing your business with a fearless mindset. Audio chapter You Are What You Feed, narrated by author Tracy Bond. You are what you feed. And it is written in the New Testament Gospel of John, chapter 4, verses 33 and 34, quote unquote, so the disciples were saying to one another, no one brought him, meaning Jesus, anything to eat, did he? And Jesus said to them, my food is to do the will of him who sent me and to accomplish his work. Well, ever on their movements, many wearisome spirit-fed entrepreneurs might find some point in their independent career journeys that the engine of their visionary vehicles will need a fresh eye change. By this I mean that the eye of a spiritual entrepreneur's visionary mind can rack up invisible miles of mental exertion travel, like in any other vehicle on the move. I believe I experienced such a revelation, refreshing my mind's eye as I wondered about the purpose God had in choosing my birthday on the 007th day of an August harvest month. By divine intelligent design with a powerful numerical value often connected to completion and a finishing accomplishment in God's creation work. In this position for purpose, glowing forward, I want you to consider my double agent special ops training for finishing what you accomplish well, knowing that your call to entrepreneurship is innately by divine designer calling, as you are made in the image of his divine entrepreneurial model. It is written that God worked 6 days in creating the world, but did you recognize it was begun as a vision from his mind? We are spiritually seeded into his glorious creation plan, and being created from his divine entrepreneurial mind, this is the way we spirit-fed entrepreneurs also create our good works, from seeded visions into seasons of planting and feast rewards at harvest time. Realizing the day that I was first called to be his kingdom undercover agent on 007th heaven duty, I voluntarily lost my spirit malnourished mind, for up to that point it had been pre-programmed by world systems which are mortally crafted in darkness without divine design. The good news is by grace I found the spirit mind of Christ, God's only Son, Jesus. And since Jesus opened my mind to understand scriptural principles for living, my mind is always on active duty now, like a matrix, if you will, of up and down loads. God's spirit programs in and out of seasons. If you get where I'm flowing with this, then you probably know what it is for quote-unquote surf to always be up with your brain waves, coming in regularly at a high energy expense. When you're in that critical point where your mental energy is ready to break your circuits, your soul signals that you need refueling, just like a multi-mile driven vehicle. And fuel comes from natural resources, but your fuel as a spirit-fed entrepreneur must come from supernatural resources. To keep your productivity moving to the next milestone destination of accomplishment, you must develop a soul food plan to sustain your mental fuel for your journey. And when adversities come, and surely they will show up, your strength will be increased by the diet you feed upon. This strength is supernatural, and you must have it from a higher food source in order to accomplish your divinely designed life work. I am nourished by divine resources that assist me in accomplishing the work that I do, and I do it as a fortified victor nourished by the seeds God has root sourced in my soul. I'll share these recipes with you so that you will know what to eat, how to conquer your spirit defeat, and definitely do it too. I'm Tracy Bond, the author of You Are What You Feed in the Spirit-Fed Entrepreneur, Growing Your Business with a Fearless Mindset anthology. I want to thank you for listening, and hey, it's time to eliminate fear in our lives. We were made in the image of God, and we were meant to live a spirit-fed life. Won't you join me now and live an even greater life with confidence? The reviews are coming in to win, and you can read and learn more at www.spiritfedbook.com. Available at Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and Reader's Legacy this Sunday, May 1st. Thank you for enjoying this audio download. Get your order in today.